Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So earlier this year, as I posted, YouTube launched YouTube Premium Lite in the United States, Australia, Thailand, and Germany. And just to let you know now that Google has announced that it will be expanding the availability of its cheaper tier of YouTube Premium. Now, Google has said, and I'm quoting, Premium Lite is now expanding to viewers in Turkey, Poland, France, Romania, Spain, Italy, Taiwan, Singapore, Chile, and Colombia. They also mentioned that we're slowly rolling this out over the next couple of days, so viewers in these countries may not see it yet. Now, just a quick recap. YouTube Premium Lite costs slightly over half the price of the regular YouTube Premium subscription, which obviously Google has put as the middleman, so to speak, between the free and the full package of premium to obviously use as a draw card to get more potential customers. Now, according to Google, and just a quick recap, the lower price is mainly ad-free on YouTube compared to YouTube Premium, where all YouTube videos will be free of ads. And that also means that music and music videos will be free of ads as well when you've got the full package. And obviously YouTube Premium, the full package, allows for the playing of videos in the background, and you can also download videos for later offline viewing. Now, the difference between Premium and Premium Lite is that not all of the so-called perks are available in the Lite version. So for $7.99, that's US dollars per month, subscribers still get a so-called experience that is stripped of ads to some extent or the other, with Google saying that the subscription makes most videos ad-free, quote unquote. So basically the Lite version compared to the full premium offers you the following. You can enjoy gaming, fashion, beauty, news, and more ad-free. It works across devices, including phone, laptop, and TV. Ads may appear on music, shorts, and when you search or browse. And also, Premium Lite doesn't include YouTube Music Premium or features like downloads and background play. So there is a bit of a slight difference. But nonetheless, just keeping you guys posted regarding YouTube, as I said I would do on the channel, seeing we are watching these videos on the platform. So Google is expanding YouTube Premium Lite into more regions. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.